Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Open2003 TV. Kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to get updated on uploaded video. On today's video, we are going to be talking about Adobe Premiere Pro installation error. Some of us find it difficult to install Adobe Premiere after uninstalling it, but I find a way to install it and some things to do so that you will successfully install it again without having any error code. So let's jump right into this. Now all we have to do is go to our local disk C. You can go through it here or go to this PC, then see your local disk C, open it, go to our program files. You will see common files. Now delete the Adobe. Make sure you delete it. Make sure you delete the Adobe. This Adobe folder is the folder that contains the old installation properties. So when we delete it now, it won't be telling us that we have installed Adobe Premiere before. Now go to your program files AC and also find the common files and also delete the Adobe folder you see there. Now our system won't be able to recognize that we have installed Adobe Premiere on our system before. Now we are going to delete the Adobe folder there. You make sure you delete it. Now after deleting it, now let's go and run our Adobe Premiere and check whether it will still be telling us that nonsense. Now we have successfully installed the Adobe Premiere Pro. Now it's installing without telling us that there's a problem installing it this time. So this is how you can crack the Adobe Premiere. So this is how you can crack it.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever.